This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, signed-in Apple ID and an up-to-date iPhone. Once done, install Testflight from the App Store and open it. This registers the device with Apple. Next, use the developer's invite link or enter the redeem code they provided. Tap the link, then tap Accept in Testflight. That action enrolls you in the beta. Make sure to enable notifications so you receive update alerts, and keep the developer's instructions handy for feature-specific notes. Once the app appears in Testflight, tap it and choose Install or Update. You'll see progress within Testflight's app list. After installation, open the app and grant permissions it requests, camera, microphone, or location, because denied permissions can break core features. Make sure you explore settings inside the app for any beta-specific toggles. If you encounter glitches, use Testflight's Provide Beta Feedback button to attach screenshots and logs. That helps developers prioritize fixes faster. To finish, continue using the app and allow Testflight to keep it updated. Developers often release frequent builds. When a build expires, you'll get a notice. Then request a new invite or check the developer's release notes for the next build. If installation or launch fails, first sign out and back into your Apple ID, reboot the device, and reinstall via Testflight. If problems persist, capture a screenshot of the error and send it through Provide Beta Feedback so developers can reproduce and fix the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.